What's going on, guys? Welcome to this special episode here on Stocks with Stammer. I'm your host, Zach, aka Stammer, and today I'm going over my holdings in my portfolio. So, as you guys may know, I am a trader, but I do own some stuff for the medium to long term, and that's what I'm going through today with you guys. So, I'm going to go over the stocks, and I also got a cryptocurrency that I own for the medium to long term, and I own these through three accounts. So I have a TFSA, I have a Quest Trade account, and I also have a Wealth Simple account where I do my cryptocurrency trading and investing. One of my favorite cryptocurrency plays out there, it is the stock Galaxy Digital Holdings, ticker GLXY on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Like I said, this is my favorite cryptocurrency play. I love the CEO, Mike Novogratz. He's always talking on CNBC about the Bitcoin or Ethereum situation. And what they do, they're basically a crypto investment bank. And they've done so many good things in the last year. It's been quite incredible, the growth that they've had. I've kind of made a promise to myself not to sell this until where I believe this stock will be actually trading on the American exchanges, perhaps the Nasdaq, before year end. And if that happens, I think it's going to be a nice push for the stock. And who knows? I mean, I've been saying for a couple months now, just to my friends and my family, that I think Bitcoin it's going to end the year around $80,000 to $100,000 a coin. Secondly, Amazon. Amazon, I bought 2 weeks ago. I mentioned on the last episode, and I bought it right before the 3-month low. And that's, technically speaking, it was oversold on the relative strength index, which I had mentioned. And well, what do you know? It has woken up in the last couple of trading sessions, and it's doing quite well right now. Fundamentally, everybody knows and loves Amazon as far as I'm concerned. Based on what I've seen and heard, they have a retail monopoly, and they're just growing in other business segments, cloud services, entertainment, the list goes on. And so I love this company. It's only up a couple percent in the last year, and I think this thing has way more room to the upside. Another stock that I own, it's one of my oldest holdings, Kinross Gold, ticker K on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's a small position. It's a gold miner, and this is more for diversification purposes. Gold hasn't had a very good year or a couple months. It's been lagging the major North American indices, but I do like it as a way to diversify, and you never know what can happen with gold. Shifting gears to another stock that I own in my accounts, SoFi. SoFi is a one-stop shop financial services company. On this platform, you can refinance your student loans, you can get personal loans, you can get auto loans, you can get a house loan, and also you can buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies. And so this stock, I didn't buy from a technical or a chart perspective. This is really the stock that I believe in the long term. This is a 3 to 5 year play for me. Because right now it's trading at a quite a rich valuation, but I believe the company is going to grow. It's going to do well, and it's going to grow into that valuation throughout the next following years. Great CEO as well, Anthony Noto. I believe I mentioned this in the couple of first episodes of Stocks with Stammer. Anthony Noto has worked at Twitter, the NFL, and now he runs SoFi. And so I love the story, and I think long term this is a great pick. Another stock that I own, MEG Energy, ticker MEG on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And this is my crude oil bet. I think one of my favorite analysts in the oil and gas industry is Eric Nuttall. He often makes appearances on the BNN Bloomberg network. And he often says that the fear of peak demand will lead to peak supply, meaning that oil producers might stop producing oil, and as a result, this will lead to higher prices in crude oil. And I kind of believe in this statement, and I can see this happening. Crude oil has had a fantastic year, and I think there's still room to the upside. And so this is more of a short to medium term play. I'm not trading in and out of this thing, but I think once crude oil, gets around the $75 range, or even maybe the low 70s, it's at around $68 right now. I might start thinking of moving some of my shares off the table. Finally, I own Aave in my Wealthsimple account. So Aave is a decentralized finance cryptocurrency token. Now, this might seem a little abstract to some, but in a couple of words, Aave is a protocol which enables investors to borrow and lend money on the blockchain. And this token started in Finland. And one of the reasons why I like this project is last summer it received a electronic money institution license from the United Kingdom, and more specifically from the UK Financial Conduct Authority. And I think this adds some legitimacy to the project. And the liquidity protocol amounts to 24.6 billion US dollars, which is it's amazing. And finally, moving back to what I was saying about Galaxy Digital, they actually a couple of weeks ago announced that they're making a index for cryptocurrencies, and in that index, Aave is a huge chunk of that index. And so I think there'll be a lot more institutional money flowing into this in this token and the protocol. And so I'm I'm excited about this this project and where it's going to end up in the future. So to recap, in my accounts, I own Amazon, Galaxy Digital, Kinross Gold, SoFi, Meg Energy, and Aave. And so I do sit on quite a bit of liquid cash or capital because I am a trader. I do need that that capital to make a buck or two here and there. But those are my current holdings right now for the medium to long term. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to message me on Instagram or leave a comment on the Instagram video or the YouTube video, and it'll be a pleasure for me to answer those questions. Anyways, that's all for this episode, folks. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you next week on Stocks with Stammer. Have a good week.